Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to change environment variables in Vercel step by step. I'll be walking through this on the web dashboard. Head to vercel.com/dashboard and log in. Once you're in, you'll see your list of projects on the dashboard homepage. Click on the project that contains the environment variable you want to change. This loads your project overview page where you'll see your deployment history and project details. At the top of the project page, click on the Settings tab. The Settings page loads with a sidebar menu on the left side. In that sidebar, click on Environment Variables. The Environment Variables page opens up at the top. You'll see an Add New Form, and below that is a list of all your existing environment variables. Now you need to locate the variable you want to edit. You can use the search box above the list to type in the variable name, or filter by environment using the dropdown, or scroll through the list to find it. Once you've located it, look to the right side of that variables row and click the three dots, the vertical ellipsis icon. A context menu appears with several options, including edit and delete. Click edit from that menu. An edit form opens showing you the current name, the current value, and which environments this variable is assigned to. In the value field, delete the old value and type in your new one. If you need to change which environments this variable applies to, like production, preview, or development, you can adjust those settings here as well. When you're ready, click the Save button at the bottom of the form. The form closes and you're taken back to the environment variables list where you'll see your updated variable. You need to redeploy your project for the changes to take effect. Click on Deployments in the sidebar. Find your latest production deployment in the list. Click the three dots next to it and select Redeploy from the menu. A new deployment starts and appears at the top of your deployments list. Here's what to keep in mind. Environment variable changes only apply to new deployments, not previous ones. If you're using preview environments and this variable applies to them, redeploy those separately to avoid errors. Any old deployment URLs will still use the previous variable value, so only your fresh deployments will have the updated credential.